Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about a quick way to detect if your Tailwind Tribe pins are working for you or not working for you. So if you want to learn how to measure your pin success, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you. Also, don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first thing I want to talk about, what are Tailwind tribes? So for those of you that don't use Tailwind for your Pinterest account, I'm going to go over exactly what is Tailwind tribes. Now, this is a tool that's helps other people share your pins on Pinterest while you share their content as well. So essentially, tribes is a function within Tailwind. So you'll be able to meet other like-minded individuals who come together to share each other's content, which is really, really nice. And you could find people in the same niche as you are. So that's a great part about it. You don't have to share content that is not relevant to your particular niche. So if you are interested in trying Tailwind by the end of this video, I'm going to leave my affiliate link in the comment section below, and you're able to try it for free for an entire month. In addition to that, you'll be able to upload 30 submissions in the tribe function, and you'll get up to 5 tribes that you could join. So I will leave it below in case you guys are interested. Once you upgrade, if you do decide to upgrade, you'll be able to upgrade and you'll be able to select if you want unlimited amounts of tribes that you want to join. So just keep that in mind. So the reason why you want to pay particular attention to pins when you're sharing them on Tailwind Tribe is to see if they're popular or not. The quickest way to tell is by looking in the right corner. So this is my Tailwind Tribe right now. This is one of the ones that I'm part of. And if you see, these are 4 of my pins. And on top of the pin, you see like a blue box. It has like a blue flame, and then it has numbers next to it. This is really important. This is the quickest way you can measure if this particular pin is doing really, really well or if it's not doing that great. So I have 4 different pins right here. I have one that is to join my affiliate program. And if people join, they get 50% off every commission, or they earn 50% on every commission. That one is doing relatively really well. It has gotten a combined share of 15,267 shares. The second one is a quote that goes back to my Instagram account. It's linked to my Instagram account. And that one is doing really, really great. As you can see, it has gotten 125 million shares. That's remarkable. The next one is on a YouTube video actually, and it's called New XC Ads, and I talked about the changes. This is something that I did a couple months ago, so I think it's not ranking as great right now. But as you can see, it has only gotten 136 shares. And the one next to it, it says why red tea is better. That's actually an affiliate program that I'm in, and that one has gotten only 11 shares. So that kind of tells you like what pins are doing really, really well and what pins I need some work on. So that affiliate one is not doing as great as the other 2 in the beginning. But that's really, really important to look at. When you hover on top of the actual pin, it's going to give you a breakdown of Pinterest shares, Google Plus shares, and Facebook. These are the 3 channels that Tailwind calculates it has been shared over. So you could just hover your cursor over it and you'll see the breakdown. And I'll show you in a few because I'm going to show you some additional pins that I have been pinning. Now, the reason why I wanted to make a video on this is because if you pay attention to how popular one of your pins is, the best way to drive more traffic to your business, the best way to get more reach, the best way to grow your brand awareness is by creating more pins that are very similar to the ones that are very popular. You don't want it to just create and just pin all day and not look at the data, look at what's working and what's not working. What you want to do is you pin all sorts of different pins with all different types of call to actions, with all different types of pictures, etc. And then take a look at what's working and what's not working. Whatever is working, what you want to do is you want to make more of that material or of that content, because it's going to help you increase your brand awareness. Like I said, it's going to help you increase your reach, which is ultimately what you want to do on Pinterest. And then the Pinterest algorithm is going to take notice that your pins are ranking really, really well, that people are interacting, engaging, clicking. So they're going to rank you higher in the search results based on the keywords that you want to rank for. So this is why you need to pay attention to this. So I'm going to show you some examples of my pins, and I'm going to talk about the different pins that I do. So this is a pin for an affiliate program that I belong to. It's called Milo Tree. And as you can see, it has gotten a total share of 8,265. 3,600 was from Facebook, 4,600 was from Pinterest, and 11 was from Google. But that's pretty good. I mean, that's just amazing that so many people are sharing my content. And that's a pretty good number. This is another one. This is a pin that I redirect to my email list. So when people download this free PDF with 500 Instagram hashtags, I get an email and they get a free PDF. This one has gotten me more shares on Pinterest, 9,505 shares on Pinterest and 6 shares on Facebook. But it's just still pretty good number. This is another one. This is for Creative Market. I am an affiliate. I'm affiliate marketer for them, and I promote their products. And this one has done exceptional as well. It has gotten over 5 million shares in total. So 39,000 in Facebook, 45,000 in Pinterest, and the other 5 million in Google Plus. That's just remarkable. So this is what people are sharing. So this is the type of content I need to start producing more in order to keep growing my reach on Pinterest. This is another one. This is another affiliate marketing. This goes to an affiliate company called ClickBank, and this is promoting Kindle, how to make money with Kindle ebooks. And the number's still pretty good. 3,200 in Facebook share, 518 in Pinterest, and no share on Google. But just the fact that many people are sharing a link that if somebody clicks on and buy, I make money from, is just remarkable. This is for, you saw this one in the main page. This is for my Etsy affiliate program that I offer. And it's gotten really, really great clicks. 14,000 on Facebook, or 14,000 shares on Facebook, 1,078 on Pinterest. I mean, I'm happy with those numbers. And then this is the biggest one that I have. This one has gotten 125 million shares. Pinterest has gotten 514. Keep in mind that when you do any type of motivational quotes, it does drive a lot of traffic. Depending on what type of motivational quote you do, you could always link that to your business still. And so if you talk about how to make money online, you could have a motivational quote on making money and then redirecting that traffic back to your, let's say, your website where you make money. If you are an Etsy seller, you could create quotes about handmade quotes, put them on Pinterest, and then redirect them back to your Etsy store. So quotes in general, whether you use them in Pinterest or like social media like Instagram, Facebook, are very popular form of engagement. People love quotes. So if you create a quote that goes viral, it could essentially drive tons and tons of traffic back. Now, some of it might be if you are an Etsy seller and you create handmade quotes, those are more niche down to your actual niche, which is really, really great. Something like this that I created might attract some Etsy sellers, right? But it's going to really attract a lot of different types of people. So it doesn't necessarily mean that I will land quality leads. I might land a couple here and there, but not everyone will be. So just keep that in mind. If you're going to do something like this, make sure that it's relevant to whatever you're doing. I do stuff like this because I'm always testing out different stuff to see what works for me and what doesn't work for me. And this has been working for me because it has been giving me a lot of traffic, especially on Facebook. So I wanted to show you, this is a quick way. There's other ways you can measure your data with Tailwind, but this is the quickest way for your Tailwind Tribe pins. So you could see, are people actually engaging, sharing, or are people not really engaging? And maybe you need to tweak that pin, right? Maybe you need to add a different picture. Maybe you need to add a different title. Maybe you just need to get rid of that particular pin and create more pins of the stuff that people are intrigued and people are sharing. So I hope that this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about Tailwind tribes, and I'll be happy to answer them. And thank you guys for watching.